So today we are going to see about the 3D features which are used in AutoCAD. So before going to proceed with this, we must first understand the basic fundamental thing about the AutoCAD. You can visualize here there is a user coordinate system. So user coordinate system is a axis given at the left side of the screen. So there is a x-axis and there is a y-axis. So in our 2D drawing, only two axes are there, x and y. When we think about 3D, there should be three axes, x, y, and z. So for that, to change from 2D axis to 3D axis, a toolbar is given. So I'll float that toolbar here first. So in front of you, there is a toolbar called view. Now whatever present view we have, that is the top view. Now you can see here, so this is top view. So there is a bottom view, there is a left view, there is a right view, front view, back view. So these first six views are 2D views, just like we generally draw front view, top view, side view, right, left hand side view, right hand side view. So these are the six views. In addition to that, there are 3D views or isometric views. Generally, we call it as isometric view. Now, I will move on to the isometric view. You just look at the X and Y user coordinate system, which is at the left side. Now it is X, Y only. Now I am going to change that to isometric view, southwest isometric. Now, here the coordinate system now becomes different. You can see there is isometric view. So the user coordinate is now X, Y, and Z. Likewise, if I move from southeast, so southeast means southeast direction is the direction of view. Now this is the southeast isometric. If you see from the northeast, so this is the view, and if you see from the northwest, this is the view. Now, which one is by default or which one is suitable for us? So generally, the first one, southwest direction is we use in our first angle projection, whatever we have studied in our first year. So this particular views you can visualize if I draw something on the screen, otherwise you cannot see that. So for that we need some 3D objects. Okay, so I'll click on the top, which is by default. So this is by default our XY plane. Now let us try to go for a simple object and we can visualize that object on the screen. But as this is the 2D type of drawing, two-dimensional drawing doesn't have any 3D effect. 2D drawing is generally a simple wireframe model. So if you go for wireframe model, you may not draw anything which is virtually solid. Virtually solid आपको दिखेगा नहीं, virtual solid दिसणार नाही. का दिसणार नाही? कारण ते wireframe model असते. तर त्यासाठी आपल्याला अजून एक टाईपचा टूलबार पाहावा लागेल. सो ऑलरेडी आय थिंक एव्हरीबडी नो अबाउट दिस फर्स्ट टूलबार. फर्स्ट टूलबार काय काढलं आपण? व्ह्यू. यू कॅन सी हिअर देर इज अ व्ह्यू. So this view toolbar I have taken. So this is the first introduction, how to change the user's coordinate system, from how to go from 2D to 3D. So user coordinate system मध्ये इथे top view, bottom view, left view, right view, front view, back view, and these are the 4 isometric views. So in addition to that, there is a camera view. So camera view is also one more view. But in the camera view we have to decide, आपल्याला ठरवावं लागेल की कुठल्या डायरेक्शन मध्ये आपण ते आपल्याला पाहायचंय. बट स्टँडर्ड पेक्षा वेगळ्या डायरेक्शन मध्ये आपल्याला ते पाहता येईल. बट प्रेझेंटली आता सध्या तरी आपल्याला स्टँडर्ड जे व्ह्यू आहे तेवढेच आपल्याला कामात आणायचे. नाउ ऑल दीज आर द व्ह्यूज, बट फॉर द ऍक्च्युअल सॉलिड ऍज आय टोल्ड की 2D ड्रॉइंग म्हणजे लाईन ड्रॉइंग आहे. लाईन ड्रॉइंग आपल्याला महत्वाचं नाही आहे. आपल्याला इथं महत्वाचं आहे ते म्हणजे सॉलिड दिसणं. तर त्यासाठी अजून एक टूलबार लागतो. तो टूलबार मी इथे घेतो. So in front of you there is one more toolbar. I think all of you can see that. Visual styles. Already we have one more toolbar floated as a view. We have taken one more toolbar which is called as a visual style. Visual style is the visualization of whatever we have drawn in 3D. Okay, as I told, if I draw something as a 3D, you can visualize that in a wireframe model. So how it can be, that we'll see. So in the visualization, here is the 2D wireframe first drawing, which is generally we draw whatever we can draw, that is 2D wireframe. There is a 3D wireframe which is a line diagram of 3D. There is a 3D hidden wireframe. So whatever you cannot see, so it will not show in the 3D wireframe model. There is a realistic visual style and there is a conceptualized visual. So what is difference between realistic and conceptualized visual style? That is also important. त्याचं व्हिज्युअलायझेशन कसं दिसतंय आपण पाहणार आहोत. Okay. Now to understand what is meant by wireframe model and what is meant by up to conceptualized visual model, we must draw something on the screen. त्याशिवाय आपल्याला कळणार नाही. ठीक आहे. So for that, first I will go for any isometric view, and after that we'll draw something from one more toolbar. Okay. So what I'll do, आपण याला थोडंसं इकडे घेऊया. So this is our view. This is our visual style. I am going to take one more toolbar here. So this is third toolbar in the 3D. Okay. So this is the third toolbar which is called as a modeling toolbar. Now here, this modeling toolbar contains all the standard models and the additional different commands from which you can create anything. So this model toolbar is the main toolbar. Model toolbar मध्ये आपल्याला काही स्टँडर्ड सॉलिड ऑब्जेक्ट दिलेले आहेत आणि आपण काही त्याच्यापासून ऍडव्हान्स सुद्धा त्यापासून घेऊ शकतो. ओके. नाउ लेट अस फर्स्ट try to understand the difference between this 2D wireframe, conceptualized visualization, isometric view. So for that let us draw some cubical shape. Okay. So by using, now here you can see we are on the top view. So let us change that top view to isometric view. So This is our current view, X and Y मध्ये आहे. I am going to change it to isometric view. You can see how the user coordinate axis कसे change होतात पहा. Now axis is going to change. Whatever I am going to draw now, that object can be now 3D object because isometric आपण start केलेले. Let us draw one simple model. So model start with the polysolid and there is a second box. So let us draw a simple cubical model box. So if I take box, if I click on the box, I have to specify two corners which are the base of that box. Box of base जो आहे त्याचे दोन कॉर्नर द्यावे लागतील आणि त्यानंतर हाईट द्यावं लागेल. Let us see now. So this is the second corner. Now this is the third corner. Okay. So here I have drawn a simple box. Already we are in 3D view. Isometric view मध्ये असल्यामुळे तो isometric दिसतोय. ठीक आहे. If I just take the another view, top view जर पाहिला तर कसं येईल पहा. If I click on the top view, it look like a rectangle. You can see it look like a rectangle. If you see in the bottom view, it also look like a rectangle. If you see left view, front view, so in all these views it look like a rectangle because in all these views it is simple rectangular box. Okay, या सगळ्या व्ह्यू मध्ये आपल्याला रेक्टँगल दिसते कारण तो क्युबिकल शेप आहे. But if you just go for isometric view, you can see the isometric. So this is isometric. This is another isometric. If you see from northeast or northwest. So generally southwest, as I told, is the common. So here I have drawn one simple box. आपण त्याला थोडं झूम नी छोटं करून घेऊ. So this is very simple box I have drawn and you can see this box in the wireframe model. Now what is called as a wireframe model and what is meant by solid model, that we'll see. Now in the wireframe model आपल्याला याच्या मधले सुद्धा दिसतात. You can visualize the inside lines also. याच्या मधले सुद्धा लाईन्स आपल्याला दिसतात कारण हे वायरने तयार झालेलं आहे. सो व्हिज्युअल स्टाईल मध्ये दिस इज 3D wireframe visual style. Now if I click on the hidden, now see this very carefully. आता खूप व्यवस्थित पहा काय होतं. I'm going to click on the 3D hidden visual style. If I click on the 3D visual style, whatever lines which we can visualize very easily that are got hidden, ते hidden झालेले आहेत, आपल्याला ते दिसत नाही. आणि हे 3D हिडन मॉडेल असल्यामुळे आपल्याला बॅकग्राऊंड सुद्धा चेंज झालेलं दिसतंय, तो बॉक्स दिसतोय. ओके, हियर अगेन आय विल क्लिक ऑन द 3D वायरफ्रेम. 3D वायरफ्रेम मध्ये असं दिसत होतं, त्यातल्या कम्प्लीट ज्या रेषा आहेत ज्या दिसत नव्हत्या त्या गायब झालेल्या आहेत. ओके, सो इट बिकम्स अ सॉलिड. So if I say 2D, again you can see the simple 2D wireframe. So this is the difference. Okay, now here what is meant by realistic? For the realistic, let us click on this. आपण हे सिलेक्ट करूया आणि बाय लेयर मध्ये याला काहीतरी कलर देऊ. ओके, I have given here red color. Now आपण त्याला रेड कलर का दिला, कारण याच्या व्हिज्युअलायझेशन मध्ये आपल्याला कलर मी व्हिज्युअलायझेशन व्यवस्थित समजेल. Now I'll click on realistic visual style. So you can see now red box. Okay, so this is realistic visual style red box. Now you can see isometric view in all direction. If I want, you can see the isometric view of this in all direction. Isometric view. Now here the difference is south west. असा याचा अर्थ काय? साऊथ वेस्ट याचा अर्थ आपण वरच्या बाजूला नॉर्थ पकडतो, खालच्या बाजूला साऊथ पकडतो, उजव्या साईडला ईस्ट पकडतो, डाव्या साईडला वेस्ट पकडतो. सो दॅट मीन्स साऊथ वेस्ट मीन्स तुमच्या डाव्या हाताच्या लेफ्ट साइड मधून आपण त्याला पाहत आहोत. इफ आय से नॉर्थ ईस्ट म्हणजे वरून त्याला आपण पाहत आहोत. सो दॅट इज द डिफरन्स. सो जनरली साऊथ वेस्ट हा जो आहे हा कॉमन आपण आयसोमेट्रिक व्ह्यू मध्ये पाहत असतो. नाउ दिस इज द realistic visual style. One more is left, conceptual. When I click on the conceptual, just look at the changes. Now in the conceptual visual style, there is a light effect also. So now by default there is a light shade, and because of the light shade there are some different shades that you can get. आता जर आपण याला वेगवेगळ्या अँगलनी आयसोमेट्रिक व्ह्यूने पाहिलं तर हाऊ द फेसेस आर गोइंग टू चेंज, कारण लाईट जिथे पडेल तिथे तुम्हाला डार्क साइड आणि ब्राईट साइड दिसेल. सो यू कॅन सी हिअर. सो दिस इज द कन्सेप्च्युअल व्हिज्युअल स्टाईल मध्ये आपल्याला तो ऑब्जेक्ट हा लाईट मध्ये सुद्धा कसा दिसेल, लाईट इफेक्ट मध्ये सुद्धा कसा दिसेल, so that you can visualize. So this completes a how to see any object in different visual styles. त्याच्यामध्ये 2D wireframe model. Now if I look at that 2D wireframe model, it simply see the lines. If I go for 3D wireframe model, there is a simple lines. But if I say click on hidden line means whatever you cannot visualize, ते गायब होऊन गेलेले आहेत लाईन्स, त्या बाहेर दिसत नाहीयेत आपल्याला कारण ते सॉलिड बनलेलं आहे. सो दिस इज रिअलिस्टिक अँड दिस इज कन्सेप्च्युअल. देयर इज वन मोर manage visual style means you can change the visual style also. So that we'll see in the advanced class. ठीक आहे, त्यामध्ये आपल्याला थोडाफार चेंजेस करता येऊ शकतात. So here these are the different styles and these are the different views. So here with this our first part of this 3D concept is over. In this first 3D concept we have seen there are some different views: top view, 2D views, top view, side view, right hand side view, left hand side view, again bottom view, front view and back view. These are the 2D views, and there are some isometric views. There are some visual styles that we have seen. So this is our first concept. Okay, now